Alright, when I count to 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So describe what is going on. How do you feel when you're pushing? Is it easy?
Pressure.
Pressure, a lot of pressure, very good. So we mentioned pressure before. What about, does Marianne feel any pressure on the other side?
Yes. Yeah.
How do you know? You're not Marianne. How do you know?
My face.
Well, you see her, okay? Her facial expressions, and then what else did you see? When
the bridge goes back, like it doesn't even go forward because of the pressure that's coming in.
Very good, excellent.
Well, so.
Any other word that you just want to add it to the ones that we come up with?
Resistance.
Yeah. Resistance. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Anything else before we move on? Yeah. You may want to be writing the words just to keep it in mind. Okay. You mentioned, which I thought was pretty good. So what does this demonstration has to do with forces? Does anybody remember forces?
Yeah.
Okay, what does that have to do with forces?
Like
so how do we call those forces that are coming this way and not that way?
How they were made, they don't call voiding people. I know that. What's it called?
So you're saying one is coming this one and one is coming
force. Opposing forces.
Very good. Excellent. So we come up with another word, right? Opposing forces. Okay. Is it a force if all of us are pushing one side?
No.
Well, yeah, it is. But then
So let's say we try to move this desk and all of us push it. Is it applying force?
It's a force. It's just not opposing.
Yeah.
Because of the thing.
So if we don't have anybody on the side and we all push it, is that opposing forces?
Yeah.
Yes, because the
No,
has
it's just a force because it's
That's Newton 1.
It's one of his laws.
Okay.
Yeah, it's one of the laws.
I think it's the third law. Like if you apply a force or something like that, it's gonna apply the equal.
What's his name's law?
Yeah.
You said it.
Newton's law. Okay, very good. So, but let me see. I'm a little confused. So all of us are on this side and we're pushing the table. Nobody's on that side, so that's not opposite forces, right?
No.
But somehow we're all pushing this way.
Isn't that called
And are you sure there is not an opposite force?
There
There
is, but it's the force on this side is really weak, and that one is like higher and greater. So then that's why it moves this way.
No, because this wouldn't move.
So what if I make it like a positive? Dude, we're talking about one.
So she's talking about positive and negative.
Yeah.
She believes that that's it.
I remember it was a law like there was an arrow.
Yeah,
One
it wouldn't
had
move.
10 and the other one
Had like
Negative
five.
has,
No, but it just. I remember he was teaching us.
Oh, they're saying if it wasn't?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So my question is, it's possible to have opposing forces even if we don't have anybody on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, not like in a demonstration. One person was pushing one side and the other person was pushing the opposite.
Yeah.
So you're missing a word. How does that mean? We're still having a force in there. You're applying force, but you're missing something. Think. Even though nobody's on the other side.
What does it start with?
So we're dealing with the force, but we call it something else.
No, it's not
You guys listen to my tongue.
Alright, we're gonna have to go ahead and
No,
go.
no, it's a letter.
This is gonna kill you today.
That's what I want you to do. Kill yourself for that. So why does the response will not be pressed as much as they did in the first demonstration? With the air, it seems like both of them push, and then somebody thought, oh my God, I broke it. Okay, and then with the water, we were able to see
greater
something.
matter than air.
Because what?
And water has greater matter than air.
Oh, okay. Is it
Matter
true?
or mass?
Mass. That's the
So
mass.
water has more mass than
Air.
Okay.
It also has more weight.
Yeah.
So is this possible?
Take the more space.
So can we say if the gases actually compress visibly and liquids don't?
Yeah, that's true.
What does that mean?
Like you smell it. Like for me, if there's the oven is on or the stove, like you smell that gas and you're like, dude, what are you doing in there?
Can you actually go and touch it and then put it outside?
You can't touch it.
Okay. Are you sure you cannot touch gas?
Well, you don't see it.
Or like vapor.
Well, the fact that you don't see
Oh, gravity?
Gravity. So mass is another word that you guys come up with. Kimberly said that. The other one, tension, same thing. If a lot of people is right here on this table pushing, we're dealing with the tension of the what? Lower. So some kind of friction. Thank you. Friction. Force. Tension. Right there. Excellent. Those were the words that we were looking for. If you have these ones,